Okay, I'm here with Franklin, and Franklin has been nice enough to document his surgery day here at Natural Transplants. Franklin, where are you from?
I'm from the Dominican Republic.
The Dominican Republic, amazing, awesome. And how long have you been here in the States?
Well, right here in Florida, 4 years, but in the United States, almost 30 years.
Okay. So, and when did you start losing your hair? At what age?
I would say 25, something like that.
Okay. And who in your family has a hair loss? Is it running your family?
All my brothers.
All your brothers?
Everybody.
Okay, so you have a gene. There was about zero chance you were going to not go bald.
Right.
Or lose some hair. Okay, excellent. And how did you find us? How did you find Natural Transplants?
Really searching on the web, and I was looking at the ratings. Good, so I decided to go.
Excellent. And what are you hoping to accomplish today? What are your goals?
Get this hair back. Look better, right? Of course.
To look better, to do it. Yes, excellent. Well, thank you again for letting us document this, and we'll be checking in on you throughout the surgery day. I'm going to zoom up here just a little bit. Now, it's interesting, you had a little bit of micropigmentation, and this is kind of a new fad that people are doing now, where this is basically, the scalp is made darker. It's almost like a tattoo. It is a tattoo.
It is a tattoo.
And the idea is that you don't see the contrast between the dark hair and the light scalp. How long ago did you do that?
I would say like a year ago.
Maybe a year ago. Okay. What do you think? Did it help you at all?
I would not recommend this to anyone.
We've had a lot of patients that have had that done, and they come in, and we actually makes no difference as far as the transplant. You can transplant right on top of it, like it doesn't even exist. So we're gonna go through that. So it's a very interesting case. Thanks again, Franklin, and we'll be checking in.
All right, thank you.
I'm here with Franklin. I just wanted to show everyone his hairline before we go too much further. So as you can see, we've redesigned his hairline. That black line, it's going to go from the top to the bottom, a staggered appearance, so we never do a straight line. And then we're going to come up here and work our way from the front and go back as far as possible, probably about this far back. We may get some extra tissue, maybe we'll get into the crown a little bit. You can see now, after he let us shave his head, by the way, so he allowed us to shave a little bit of hair away from here. You can really see the micropigmentation, and you can see why it would bother him to kind of have that showing as visible as it is. But thanks again, Franklin. We got all kind of snacks here, by the way. We got some gluten-free cookies, and we have his whole snack bowl here for him. So and he's had some Valium about, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes ago. So we'll be checking in. Thanks again, Franklin.
Cool.
Okay, I'm here with Franklin, and Franklin at this point in the procedure has just had his strip removed, and he's all sewn up. Franklin, how's your day going so far?
Beautiful.
How much pain are you in right now?
0.
0 pain on a scale of 1 to 10, 0. You've been eating some granola bars and watching TV. Yeah. He even has his friend here in the room watching, or so it's very easy stuff. I'm going to come around. Obviously, we haven't done anything on the top at this point, so everything's been done in the back. So I'm going to come around here and show you what it looks like. So just from the back, you can see that it's completely covered up with hair. So I'm going to zoom in here, and you're going to see the size of the scar that he's going to have, which is going to be a thin line. It's that thin line right there. You can see how small that scar is going to be. I hope it picks it up. I'll take some pictures in there. He has a little bit of post-op oozing, which is normal. We just sewed this up literally 2 minutes ago. But this is going to be the size of his scar. That little tiny line between the sutures. And you can see how the hair just goes right over it to cover it up. So this is never going to be an issue for him. Once this heals, he's going to be able to get his hair down to a 2 or 3 guard, no problem. 2 guard for sure. Some guys even get it down to a 1 guard. But the reality is when you have hair on top, it's tempting to grow your hair a little longer. So. Okay, I'm here with Franklin, and Franklin has just finished his procedure. His procedure took a little over 5 hours, and we were able to get him 6,500 hairs. So, how was your day, Franklin? How do you feel?
I'm feeling great.
Great.
Everything was good.
Excellent. And now the anesthesia is starting to wear off, I guess. But we just got him some ibuprofen, and he's going to be able to take some pain medicine as soon as he gets home. So overall, though, easy day for him. I'm gonna kind of go up here and show you guys what we've done. You can see his new hairline, how that's going to reframe his face. Those are all single hair grafts in the front. And in the transition zone into stronger grafts behind that. Now you can see he had some old tattoos, or what they call micropigmentation. We've gone over all of that, so no more of those tattoos. He's going to have hair on top of all that now, and you can see that we've gotten all the way back through to his crown, even a little bit into his crown to cover all those unsightly micropigmentation. So very exciting, man. The stitch in the back came together beautifully. He's not even going to be able to find that in a couple weeks. So thanks again, Franklin, and more importantly now, your results. So anything you would say to people that are nervous about a hair transplant or thinking about getting it done?
Don't wait, just do it.
Don't wait, just do it. Excellent. All right,
Yeah.
Thanks again, Franklin.
Thank you.
Yeah.